Dwayne here, Phoenix Typewriter.com. Got a Sterling, about 1951, 52. It's got a little problem. I've got this lid loose. I got everything loose because it's all still pretty much all apart. But I have a problem we're going to do on camera. And I found this little tiny screw right here in the case. And then after I started working on this, I noticed the whole assembly here is loose. So this thing just flopping around, and I am 100% positive this screw is one of the screws that helps mount this thing, this arm, this whole bracket that holds this arm. Not this screw right there, but against the frame here. So the way to get to that is you have to take the roller out, you have to take this knob off, you have to take the variable out. So let's just do that real quick. I have actually already got this cover off to get access to this little nut. This one does not have a quick release, does not have a quick release. You have to use this little guy right here, loosen that, pivot this little pivot latch around like that, and then this roller comes out as if it was a quick release. Make sure to pull the plunger here, the variable out like that, or it will not come out. And then you can take this thing out. Then we need to get this shaft out, and that is that nut and this piece. So that nut is this tiny little wrench here, and what I use is the wrench on the nut, and I just grab this with a pair of plumber's wrenches, turn it until it loosens, and just take it off, take the nut off. So we got those two pieces, and just pull the shaft out and clean it. Okay, so this knob comes off with a couple screws that are right in there. Access point is right through here, and these, I think we can just loosen these a couple turns each. There's two of them. Turn them, turn them, turn them, and then this knob should come right off. No, it's not coming off. Oh, maybe that screw's not loose. Don't got it loose, that's why. Come on. Shadow is in there and I cannot see. There we go. Oh, the screw's all the way out. It's still not coming off. Alright, what's the deal? Oh, there it goes. Just dirty. This shaft will come out of there too. I can probably take that off and clean it a little more thoroughly. But let's take a look at the side here and get my proper upper thingamajigger here and prop this up a little bit. Proper upper thing. And let's take a peek here. And I already see it. See that hole right there? There should be a screw there. And then there's another one here. I don't see it right off the bat. Do I gotta take this cover off here? It looks like I might have to get to the other screw. I think I do. I think this has to come off. So let's see if I can get to this screw without moving the camera out of the way. Okay. I think this cover just, or is there another screw up here? I think it just, I don't know. I don't remember. Well, there is another screw on this one. Oops, all that stuff came off anyhow. Oh, let's take that screw out of there. And let's grab this ratchet thing and this plunger thing and take this cover off. come back around. Oops. Arm is running into the camera. Yeah, see, there's another screw right there. So let's just put that one back in there. That's way loose. Alright, so that's the big one here. I think I've seen this before. I might even have a video showing how to do this. Or probably replacing this arm. Okay, so that's tight. Let me get my good tightening screwdriver here. Give me a little more room to put the screwdriver in here. Tight. And where's that other one at? Over here. That's pretty loose. At least a full turn loose. And tighten these down tight because it's got a lot of stress. Okay, see, it's all fixed. Piece of cake. I knew that's what it was going to be. I'd have bet money that that was the case. So all I got to do now is clean some of these parts up here, and maybe the knob is filthy, and the shaft, and this piece, and we'll be done with this end of things. Just degrease that real quick and lay that shaft out. This ratchet's already been cleaned, but it wasn't out of the machine. You can get to all this stuff a little better when it's out. Clean it. Make things happy again. And that's the way it should be. Alright, right, good. The shaft is easy. Just a nice wipe down and it's going to be fine. And let's add a little red oil inside of this ring. And get that in there. I don't think it needs any on the ratchet part. This shaft could use just a little bit. Just a little bit and rub it around like that. This shaft could use a little bit. And just rub it on. And the knob can just be wiped off. Rub a little bit of a, looks like I thought I repaired, it was the other side I repaired, but looking better. This rag is kind of dirty for this job. Let me put a cleaner rag down here. Another spin cleaning action. This stuff's on here. Look at this stuff. All right, I'm gonna add some chemicals to this. Just a little bit of lacquer thinner right there, just to help aid that cleaning of that area. That's better. All right, that is a quick video again today for carriage arm repair. Of course, it wasn't really repaired, it was just loose. Those are the best kind of repairs, nice and simple and surefire. Piece of cake. Oh, I thought that was a missing screw. It's the cover. All right. Phoenix Typewriter, good day.